Yeah, you're not squeezing out of there, buddy. All right, guys, we made it to Egmont Key, and got Brandon, Hudson with me today. Going to go up here and explore Egmont Key, the old batteries that are all located on Egmont Key. We've got battery Macintosh, battery Guy Howard, and Charles Malone. But anyways, cool spot. Spanish War protected the mouth of Tampa Bay from any approaching threats. And you guys ready to get up here and explore this place?
It already looks cool, man.
Yeah, it's super cool, guys. Let's go inside and check it out.
Oh, whoa, it says things.
No, it doesn't.
There's stuff written on the walls.
Well, lift me up.
Let me get on your shoulders.
Yeah, help me up there, man. I can't see. God, I hate this.
There's all the walls have stuff written on them. I think you might be able to get over there because it's like
That you can't get to that side, but there is another battery. The next one over, you can get back in there. Guys, these are incredible to be inside these and check them out. Touching history, 1908. This was built. This is battery Guy Howard. So incredible. This was a thriving city of people at one time on the island, protecting the mouth of Tampa Bay from any incoming threats. Check this out, fireplace here. I'm interested to know what these are though.
Mini fridge.
Mini fridge?
They stuffed their Red Bull cans in there. You think this is all like original too? Oh, well, people definitely carved their names in it, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's modern. That's modern graffiti.
This looks relatively like the hammer stripes. It's kind of cool.
One more day. One more day.
Oh my gosh, could you
One more
imagine?
day.
Oh, yeah.
There was a prison on here.
How many days from attack?
Yeah, one more day. One more day. Oh,
Wow.
If you guys know what this is right here, if you have any idea, drop it in the comments below. You guys always never let me down. You guys know exactly what those are. But anyhow, excited to see what you guys come back with. There's one in each room. There's the fireplace, and then there's one of these in each room, which is pretty interesting. I'm guessing it's for a lantern for light, but there is electricity up there, so not sure. This is battery Charles Malone, 1898. 1898, brother. That's a long time ago. Over 100. Look at how cool this is, guys. This is where the old jail cell was. This one protects the northern tip of Egmont Key. And my understanding was this was the holding cell for those that acted up. Look at this. You don't want to try and sneak out of there.
I can get through there.
You can get through there?
Yeah, watch.
Don't even do it. Don't even try it. White walls, you know what that means.
Pull up.
Looney bin. 1898, guys, over 100 years old. This is where the one of the guns was mounted. This gun would fire off into the Gulf of Mexico at anything approaching that was a threat. Check this out. Hey, I'm gonna take the drone up in the air. Check this out from the air, guys. So cool to know that this protected the mouth of the bay. Anything coming into the bay, there was a threat.
You can see it.
Oh yeah, you see it for sure. You're not, the channel straight behind us that goes in underneath the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Anything coming in that was a potential threat, you had 3 cannons. Just on this battery, there's 2 other batteries that had 6 more cannons, taking out anything coming in. Check out the walls. They actually use seashells in everything.
Coquina.
Coquina?
Yeah, so it breaks, but it doesn't like completely shatter.
There's a legitimate hole in the wall.
Yeah, this is like a direct hit from something. It looks like it anyways.
Like it came through this window, hit that corner of that wall, and blasted straight through there.
Right here, blasted through and took that out. Let's look at the size of that hole. That's got to be a hit. But look at all the
went straight
seashells.
through it.
And guys, you can come here and explore this place. You know, ride your skis here, take a boat. You can anchor them right off of Egmont Key and just walk up in the island and explore these. It's pretty cool. But we'll drop the coordinates in the description below of how to get here, the boat ramp we launched from, and what to expect when you get here. But you can come here yourself and explore this area, enjoy it, and take in some history that's frozen in time.
You know, this place is super cool, and to think the people were actually living here around 200 years ago, and like this was like a real fort. People were running around. But when I think about those people, I think about dudes with long beards and like a lot of ear hair and probably some nose hair. But good thing my homies at manscaped.com came out with the brand new weed rack. I can't even say it. I can't even say it.
You got him a Gopher tortoise.
I got a little friend. Hello, little buddy. It's a little turtle.
Hey, why'd the turtle cross the fort?
To get to the other side.
Because they thought he was a cannonball.
Boom! Half a cannonball right there.
Look at him go. Speedy Gonzalez. All right, buddy, we'll let you go.
Hudson, we are rolling up on Battery Macintosh. Look at the size of this bad boy. Way down there, starts, comes all the way over here. You guys get to come with us through this lens right here and explore Egmont Key. The Spanish War Battery is so cool, guys. This is like frozen in time. Most of these were built in 1898, over 100 years old. And we're gonna go inside and explore them. No handrails. All right, we are back on top of the battery. Here's where one of the cannons was. These are so cool. I'm guessing that these, at one time, look how heavy that is. At one time, that was actually mounted to the cannon to give it reinforcement as they fired it over the wall into the Gulf. But here's where one of the cannons was mounted. What you got over here, bud? Downstairs?
Nah, no stairs.
Hello. Whoa. All right, we're gonna have to go down there.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. That's a big drop. Wow.
Don't know what we're getting into.
Oh gosh.
Hey. Whoa. What's up, buddy?
I was gonna scare y'all, boys.
Dude. Okay. Hey, Brandon, here's where you were looking down just now.
Oh yeah. This is that. Jeez.
Wonder what this was. What'd you find over here? You back here? Hello? Oh. What you got here?
Hey guys. What's up, dude? There's like a scary mirror in there. It's so weird.
Yeah, it's definitely dark. Hello? So what do we got here? Whoa. Shell room. This is where they kept the shells.
Like details?
Boom! Shell. Boom! There's one of those holes. So this is the shell room.
Dude, imagine the echo when bombs are really going off.
Yeah, for sure. This is the powder room. So this says powder room, that says shell room. There's a hole there. My guess is they passed the shells over and up to the guns.
Yep.
All right, guys, this is Battery Macintosh, built in 1898. You guys got to come with us through this lens right here and explore it. And frozen in time, Spanish War, protecting the entrance to Tampa Bay. Any incoming threats? This is what protected us, guys. Brandon's almost got his anchor off.
Yep.
Hudson's out there strolling. Egmont Key's a wrap. We are now gonna head over to the ruins, do some diving. These guys are gonna get down there and do some spear fishing. Hopefully we bring home dinner. Guys, we're out here setting up, anchoring, and got my first fish. Little buddy jumped in. All right, guys, we made it to the ruins. Getting ready to dive in, take you guys underwater with us through this lens. Actually, through this lens right here. But we got Brandon Jordan over there, jigging with Jordan, getting ready. We got Hudson in the water. We got Donovan in the water. There are the ruins. We're gonna take you guys underwater and show you the beauty under here. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go explore. Alright guys, we made it. Whew. King of the hill. Bro, don't dive, there's rocks down there. What you got down in there?
Bunch of fish, dude. Not the ones I want though, unfortunately.
No, fish tank.
Yeah, there's a couple mangroves, but they're undersized, so I can't take them.
Whoa, here comes some waves.
There's one fun thing that we can do here, and that's give it a good old yeet! Jumping with Jordan. Oh gosh, I don't know how to get back.
You got this. Hey, you got to go 10 feet or better. Go.
Oh god, I definitely thought I was gonna get nailed.
I'm going with a back slope ease drop. Woo! All right, guys, we are leaving the ruins here just off of Egmont Key. Beautiful area. You guys got to explore it with us. Did some yeet jumping off the top there. Some underwater exploring. Lots of fish under there. And now we're going to head over to Passage Key, which is just a little south of the ruins and Egmont Key. So Passage Key is next. We got Mr. Jiggin with Jordan, Hudson Barnes out here with us today. Donovan Cabrera, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, baby, let's go. We have made it to Passage Key. If you guys know about this area, it's got a nickname. If you know the nickname, drop it in the comments. If you know the nickname of Passage Key, drop it in the comments. This is Brandon's first time out here.
That's fun.
It might be a shocker, buddy.
Got my binoculars.
He's in for a shocker. All right, guys, we stopped for a little lunch break. What you got back there?
Pub sub.
Pub sub? Yeah, shout out Publix. Oh, that was a nice pass. Must be football season. So, stop for a little lunch break. So far, what are you thinking, Hud?
This is incredible. Like honestly, I haven't seen water this clear in this area in a long time.
Beautiful out here. What you thinking so far, Brandon?
Just chilling at Booby Beach.
Booby Beach, yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, man. I'm having a lot of fun. Feels good to be back out here with you guys.
Yes. Just came off the ruins, exploring some old batteries on the Egmont Key.
No fish, unfortunately.
Yeah, no dinner. We had to resort to pub subs. It's all good. But next, I don't know if you guys can see it. We're gonna head off to the infamous Skyway Bridge way off in the distance and do some exploring underneath the Skyway Bridge as soon as we wrap up this lunch break. But as always, you guys are coming with us through this lens right here. And we're gonna wrap up lunch and make it happen. You ready? Skyway Bridge, let's go. Woo, yeah. Look at the Sunshine Skyway Bridge is so beautiful. Such a massive structure, guys. So cool to get up underneath it like this and ride alongside the Skyway Bridge. That is awesome. Look at that. Woo! We made it.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, I'm filming you, filming me.
Yes, sir. Do I look beautiful?
You look beautiful. Look at that bridge. Dude, that bridge is amazing. Sunshine Skyway Bridge, guys. We made it. There she is in all her glory. Look at that. Absolutely stunning to be underneath that bridge. Look at that semi-truck going by. Looks like a little Hot Wheels. If you have not been to this area and explored this area, the Egmont Key Fort Soto area, I encourage you guys, get out here and check out the area, explore the area. We launched from Fort Soto boat ramp and then went out through Bunchy's Pass over to Egmont Key. We went up inside Egmont Key and explored the batteries. You guys got to see the old batteries where the old cannons were mounted. Inside all those hidden like passageways and tunnels and whatnot. We left Egmont Key and then went over to the ruins, did some diving, some snorkeling, and a beautiful area jumping off the cliff right there. Awesome area to explore with the kids and family. Then we went over to Passage Key, and now we are out at the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Beautiful structure, guys. If you have not been out here, you know the Sunshine Skyway Bridge is big, but when you get underneath it, you realize how big it is. All right, guys, we are underneath the Skyway Bridge. Guys, we are beached here at Bunchy's Pass. That's Shell Key Island over there, and you can camp on either of these islands. You can get a permit to camp on Shell Key, and I'm not sure about the North Beach anymore. I think there may be some restrictions with all the COVID, but Danny and I camped out here. He brought my family out here with his family, and we camped out here, and let me just show you guys how it went. Okay, check this out. Okay, that was a camping experience. We call that the Danny Duncan camping experience. Anyhow, storms rolled in. Danny Duncan had the AC unit set up. It was a good time. When the storms rolled in, it got a little crazy. And anyhow, needless to say, we lived to tell the story. We just got off the water. We wrapped up a great ride. I come out of the water and I pull up and he's taking a shower.
This is how you get all that salt water off you after a long day. You know how you're like all slimy and stuff? Just get all that salt off you, guys.
It's a shower.
Yeah.
All right. Well, now I don't gotta take a shower tonight, guys. I'm good.
We are all looking for